Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jeline and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share subscription boxes, beauty hauls, I like to share Temu hauls, and just all kinds of different things. So I have done some makeup tutorials and I'm open. If any of you want to suggest something, you can comment below and let me know if there's something you would like to see me share on here. So today I'm sharing, I got Happy Mail, and this is not a subscription, but it was a purchase. If you've watched my channel, you know that I love Estee Lauder Doublewear foundation. That's pretty much all I wear is my foundation. And so I made a fun purchase there. And okay, let's get to it. All right. So you open the box, and I love this. It says, if you can see that, beauty is an attitude. So I think that's cool. So, and I have an attitude of beauty a lot of times. So I like things that are beauty-ish. So what I have, I'm going to open the box here, and I basically just bought my Doublewear foundation, but they were offering a free gift, so I want to share that with you. I also got, they're kind of tricky because they say a free gift with over $50 purchase, I think. And of course their foundations are $49. So I bought a sharpener. So I can always use a good sharpener. And this was $10, but it is good quality. So I got that. And I got my Doublewear foundation. They also carry, in the shop, they carry the things you can put so you can squirt this. And I've actually picked those up on Amazon that work on here, so I've gotten them a little bit cheaper at Amazon. But this is my Doublewear foundation that I wear. I love the formula here. I'm going to show a little bit. So that's some on my hand, and let me see if I can. It's like a perfect match. So got it all in. But sometimes I'll wait till they have a free gift, a special, because they do it quite often. And I love their, they have a lot of good serums and whatnot. So this one, I'm going to show you a picture down below, or I'm going to show a picture right here of what's in here, and then I can show you individually. This is called Into the Blue. First of all, they have, it's really cute packaging. They have a makeup remover, and they have Sumptuous Extreme. This is a mascara, and that's what the wand looks like. And all right, I love this wand. I think this is going to be a really good mascara. Of course, these are smaller sizes. It also has a eyeliner, which I like. I really like this eyeliner. So Estee Lauder does carry really nice cosmetics. So another thing in here is I love this, the Revitalizing Supreme This right here is a moisturizer. And I love it. Here we go. So, feels great. So I just ran out of one of these. I wonder if I put that in my empties. Anyway, I just ran out, and so I'm excited to start a new one. Then, of course, they have this is one of their Holy Grail item. Is that what you call it? This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is, I'll put the value on the screen. It's a very expensive serum, and I do use this at night. Not always, but it's one of the ones I throw into the mix of my routine. And so that was last but not least, we got, and this one is, I'm trying to think which perfume this is. Doesn't say here. Let me see. Well, I want to smell it. Okay, it smells very good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think it is on here, but I'm going to need glasses. It's real faint. This is called Beautiful Magnolia. Beautiful Magnolia. And guys, it smells so good. I'm going to do it right now, so I can smell it. Okay, so I got the perfume, the night serum that's valued at money, 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 the mascara, the eyeliner, the makeup remover, and the moisturizer. So all those I got free. So, and this is a pretty good value. I'll post that up there too, what this bag was valued at with all these items. It's a cute bag. I like the blue, and it's got like a pink tassel. Really cute. When you open it up, it's pink inside, and it looks really cute with this kind of this royal blue. There's two sides to it. Very cute. So, and then of course I got the pencil sharpener and the foundation. So I was really happy with this purchase. Wanted to share it with you. If you want to, I'm going to put a code down below. I believe I have a code you can get, so you can get a discount. Okay, folks, that's it. Thank you for being here. I would love it if you would hit the like button, subscribe, and it helps my channel, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Alrighty, friends. Bye-bye.